No matter how much skincare you do, no matter how many glow-up products you apply, or how strictly you follow a grooming routine, if you don't quit these 7 habits, your face will never improve. In fact, these small mistakes are the ones destroying your natural glow. And the most dangerous thing is, you don't even notice that you are damaging your own face every single day. Today, I am going to tell you those 7 habits that are making you average every day. And if you stop them starting today, within just 7 days, you will yourself feel the difference on your face. So watch the video till the end, because the last point is the most underrated, and that is the one that will decide whether you look attractive or tired. Think about it. When does your face look the most tired? When you scroll your phone late at night, watch YouTube, or just for one more reel you sleep at 2 a.m.? Night is the time when your body and skin repair themselves. The later you sleep, the less time your skin gets to recover. The result? Dull skin, dark circles, and a tired face. And that's why even if you wash your face with cold water in the morning, that freshness still feels missing because your face isn't resting, it's just surviving. According to a study, when you take proper 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body produces collagen, which makes the skin tight and glowing. But if your sleep cycle is disturbed, collagen production reduces and the face starts looking aged and lifeless. So remember this simple rule: sleep early equals natural skincare. Even if you apply no products, if you are sleeping properly, your face will naturally glow. Now, let's talk about a habit that almost everyone does without realizing it. You think touching your face is normal, but this is the hidden reason behind your skin problems. Think about it. All day you touch your phone, keyboard, and door handles. All of these are full of bacteria, and when you touch your face with those same hands, the bacteria directly transfer to your skin, clog pores, and cause pimples. Every time you rest your face on your hand, you are actually spreading germs on your face. Then, no matter if you use the world's best face wash, until you quit this habit, acne will never fully clear. Simple rule: touch your face only with clean hands or a clean towel. The less you touch your face, the cleaner and fresher it will look. Whether your skin glows or looks dull directly depends on how much water you drink. When your body is dehydrated, the skin feels tight, rough, and the natural glow completely disappears. At that time, no matter how expensive a moisturizer or serum you use, it only works on the outside, not from the inside. Water is the fuel that keeps your skin hydrated, improves blood flow, and flushes out toxins, which keeps pores clean and reduces acne. The more water your body processes, the healthier and fresher your skin will look. Many people say their face looks dull, but their real problem is dehydration. Just one simple habit: drink 3 to 4 liters of water daily consistently, and within 1 week, you will feel the difference. Skin will feel soft, tiredness will reduce, and a natural freshness will come to your face. Now, the next habit is ignored by even more people. Let's see which habit that is. The most common mistake is that people think sunscreen is only for beach trips or summer days, but the truth is, UV rays damage you everywhere. Whether you are indoors, using your mobile, or sitting near a window, these rays slowly break down your skin's collagen, which causes wrinkles, pigmentation, and uneven skin tone. And then you feel your face has become dull, while the real reason is sun damage. Sunscreen is basically an invisible shield that protects your skin from aging and tanning. Applying sunscreen every morning after face wash should be a mandatory step, whether you are going to college or staying at home. If you are consistent, within just 15 days, you will start seeing a difference. Your skin tone will look more even, and that burned look will slowly disappear. This is the most ignored and most dangerous habit. Sugar tastes sweet, but for your skin, it is slow poison. When you consume daily cold drinks, chocolates, bakery items, or sugary coffee, it starts a process inside your body that breaks down collagen. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin tight, smooth, and young. But as sugar increases, collagen becomes weak, the skin starts loosening, pores become visible, and the face looks tired and aged. Even if you are only 18 to 20 years old, sugar doesn't just increase acne, it also disturbs hormones and oil production. That's why your face looks oily and dull at the same time. If you genuinely want to improve your face, the first step is to reduce processed sugar. Stop soft drinks, pastries, energy drinks. Instead, choose fruits, dry fruits, and natural sweet options. Just keep clean eating for 10 to 15 days, and you will yourself feel that your skin is breathing. Your face will feel fresh, and that natural glow will return. This habit looks simple, but it affects even your face structure. When you breathe through your mouth, oxygen flow is not proper. This makes the face look puffy, skin becomes dull, and jawline slowly becomes weak. Mouth breathing makes your face look naturally swollen and tired. And the worst part is, you don't even realize that this is a problem. But when you breathe through your nose, oxygen circulates properly, blood flow improves, and the face looks tight and fresh. Nose breathing is not just for skin, it is important for posture, energy, and overall look. From today, try consciously breathing through your nose, especially when you are working out, studying, or scrolling your phone. Within just 1 week, you will see the difference. Your face will feel tighter, and tiredness will reduce. Now let's talk about the last habit, where using too many products slowly damages your skin. Nowadays, everyone wants instant results, so people start using a new face wash, scrub, or serum every other day. But this overuse damages your skin. Skin maintains a natural balance. When you apply too many products, it loses its oil production and pH balance. The result is either the skin becomes overly oily or so dry that the face looks dull and rough. The truth is, a simple routine is the best. Just use a gentle face wash, a light moisturizer, and sunscreen daily. That is enough for healthy, glowing skin. More products do not mean more care. They mean more confusion and more damage. Give your skin some rest and trust natural healing. You yourself will feel that by using fewer products, your face actually looks better. We will meet you in next video. Take care of yourself. Thanks for watching.